Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can be able to create a Google business profile without needing to do any kind of video verification, which is a headache or a problem to some of the people. So first of all, I'm going to open my Google Chrome browser. You can use any kind of browser out there, but I prefer you use the Google Chrome browser. So once you open your browser, you go to the search bar and then search for Google My Business. You search for Google My Business. The once that is loaded, you'll get a search result which will show you the Google business profile URL. You have to click on that, and then over here you click on Get Started, and then it will take you to the main registration page, or a page where you have to fill in your information to start building your business profile. So I'm going to name my business Get It Tech App as usual, and then over here for the category, you have to choose internet marketing services. If you choose any other category apart from this internet marketing services, you will definitely get rejected and then be asked for a video verification, which will make this not work. So you have to select internet marketing services as a category, as this does not need any kind of video verification. So once you are done selecting the category, click on next, and then you will be asked whether if you have a location where customers can visit. Make sure to select no as an answer and then click on next. So on this next page, they will ask you whether if you have any place where you serve your customers, and this session is optional. So I would advise you not to do anything over here and then go to the next stage. So once over here, you'll be asked of your region or country that you live in. You have to select your right country. So in this case, I'm living in Ghana, so I'm going to be selecting Ghana as my country. Now on the next page, you have to input in your phone number. So I'm going to be entering my phone number over here, and then for the website session, it's optional, but I advise you to add a website which Google can do a little review about, to know that your business is actually an internet marketing service and operates fully online. So I'm going to be putting in my portfolio URL over here, which is getittechapp.com, and then click on next. And then on the next page, we are going to ask you to enter your mailing address. Make sure this address is correctly filled in. So I'm going to be entering my street address, which I'll be blurring for security reasons, and then the city, I'm going to be choosing my city. So make sure everything you are filling in is exactly as in your utility bill or on your ID cards, in case you are asked to do further verifications later. So once you are done filling in with your mailing address, you go ahead and then click on the next button, and then over here they are saying that our verification is in progress. And as you can see, immediately I am verified. You are now verified. You can reply to reviews, turn on chat, and more. So I'll click on the next button to go to the next stage, which is they will ask you to add more services, but I advise you not to select any other more services. Leave it like that on the internet marketing service. So I'll click on that, skip, and then with the business hours, you can choose your preferred business hours, but I'm always open, so I'm going to be selecting open 24 hours, which is open throughout the day and then the week. So once you are done selecting your work hours, you go ahead and then click on the next button to proceed on to the next stage, which is adding a description for your business. So this place you need to add something that is not suspicious for Google to ban your business or ask you for further verification. That is writing a description that contains things like social media posting, something that will trigger the system needs not to be written over here. So I'll be skipping this part because I don't have any description in mind yet. So over here too, I'm going to be skipping photos of my business. And then on this next page, they are asking me to advertise. I'm going to skip this too. But if you have money and then want to improve your business and then get more customers easily and faster, you should go ahead and then run an ad for the business. So I'm not going to be doing that in this video. I'm going to skip this one too, and then that ends it. Your edit will be visible once verified, even though I'm already verified. So over here I'm going to be showing you the profile that it is truly verified and then working, but you have to be very cautious of the kind of edit that you do to the profile, because if you do anything that is suspicious, it will trigger the system and then get you blocked. So over here you can be able to complete some of the recommended things for you, like complete your profile, social profiles, and then adding of banners, and then the logo of your business, and just some other photos, creating an ad, adding an update, which is also known as post, and then getting a custom email, setting up and much more of things over here for you to do. You can see over here that the profile is fully verified with this badge over here, and you can do anything from now on. So you just have to make sure that you don't do anything to trigger the system for Google. So that's pretty much it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like it, and then if you are new to the channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button down below, and then turn on notification bell to receive updates for any video that I'll be posting. Thanks for watching.